Hi besties, here's the nighttime skin. I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. Okay. I use the Bioderma. I don't know what else. It's in French. Anyways, I use my dad was just hollered at me. He was like, Blair, are you throwing up? I'm like, no, I'm hiccuping. Anyways, I use this Bioderma to cleanse my skin. I also use it to moisturize in the shower, like with my body wash. And then for the real cleanse, I use this Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucin Gel Cleanse. Okay, on the days that I'm using my Paula's Choice 2% BHA, I use this toner that I use in the morning. This is like a gentle toner. And then on the days I'm not using that toner, I use my Paula's Choice pore reducing toner. But today we're using the Paula's Choice. So I'm using the gentle toner. Okay, I let that dry a little bit, and then I just put a little bit of this bad boy, and then I use this BHA. It's great for acne and great for pores. It's a liquid exfoliant. And I let that dry. And then I use the Cosrx niacinamide. I use like 3 drops. Rub that shit in. And then I use the Inky List hyaluronic acid. I let that set in for a bit. And then of course I use my Cosrx Intensive Cream Moisturizer today. I'm not gonna use my self-tan drops because I used them yesterday. But oh my god. If I was using them, I would use my I Love Paradise medium, and I normally do like 2 drops every other day. And then last but not least, I use my Pharmacy Do It All eye cream. And if I had any pimples, I would have added this La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo after my serum, before my moisturizer. But right now, I don't have any pimples. I'm so sorry. Okay, goodbye everyone.